How to convert Wix website to WordPress 2024. So if you want to quickly go ahead and learn how you're going to convert your Wix website into your WordPress, what you're simply going to want to do is you're going to come over to your tools. Once you come to your tools, you're going to go to import. Once you go to import, you're going to come down here to in Wix and you're going to enter the URL of your Wix website. So the URL from my Wix website, you can get it from this section where it gives you your very own domain. So you can simply go ahead and choose this link. You're obviously going to make sure that your website is probably, edited and published. You're also going to want to make sure that the domain you have is your own, because if it's on the proper Wix domain, you will not be able to import it. So you're going to take that link and add it here. So let's say, for example, I'm going to add this. Once you do that, click on continue. It's going to configure if this is the Wix website URL. And once all of that is done, that is basically how you are going to import your content from Wix to WordPress. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.